Alright, so today I got some questions for you other Vanagon owners. Basically, I live in Cali. I'm originally from Ohio. I have plates that don't expire. I know I can do some dual residency, but really I've been running on these plates that don't expire. I thought it was all good. And I have a 1/8 valve swap, which I know will not pass the emissions. So, with that, what are my options? Yeah. What are my options? Do I have, is there okay, so basically I want this to be as legal as possible. Maybe I shouldn't phrase it like that. So is there a way that maybe I can make the swap I have legal? Is there another way, or is this simply I go back to stock or do another conversion that's California legal? So anyways, any help from basically what I've gathered, we can, as Vanagon owners, can do an EJ22, a 1/8 turbo, and any form of diesel swap. Another question: what's the cheapest, fastest way to make this van legal? Is it a TDI swap? I don't know. So, anyways, any help? Comment below, PM me, do whatever you can to help. Thanks. I forgot. I'll show you around my motor if you want to keep watching. Okay, so this is kind of what I gotta do to see my motor, which is one of the major downsides in my opinion. I use a jack stand, lift this up, throw that under there to support it. Alright, a couple talking points about this conversion. Look around, look around, look around. There's my ECU stored in there. I expected this to give me more problems because it bounces, but it doesn't. But I still don't recommend that design. I'm not really sure why it ended up on there. Like I said, I did not do this. Okay, this is the intake I have. Not awesome. Okay, so then you can see the inside of my box there. And see how raised it is. Say it's a solid, probably 8-inch raised. And then that's the sleeping platform with the bed folded up on top of it. Okay, I'll let you know what I have. There's basically like no emissions on it. I just I'm keeping it as simple as possible. So now, I don't know. Really, my van just got going good. I mean, like, it's so discouraging. Anyways, please help.